So welcome to our Sandbox workshop. Try out our methods and design a new living lab cooperation together. We are Johanna and Heidi from Centria. In the core of the new living lab idea are different types of empathy methods for developing business. Participants get orientation to the topic with actual trying out some empathy methods. We use a future method that we have developed with local SMEs. We imagine together how the future would look like within 5 years when we are running our new living lab together. Then we map out the current situation, what participants would bring to the new cooperation to learn or develop together. The post-workshop phase is for those who would like to continue for applying project funding together. We will give a date for online meeting at the end. The tangible takeaways are experience of the methods and possibility to start building a new living lab cooperation together. Welcome.